Attention all patrols. The gang is preparing to rob a bank.
Welcome to Simply Draw. Your journey to creating stunning works of art starts here. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, soon enough you'll be able to draw all your favorite subjects. With easy-to-follow, step-by-step lessons, interactive tools, and other fun...
I'm gonna save everyone. I'm gonna save you guys. I'm going to the second object into the house. I'm going to do that. Okay. And to start the swing. What should I do? What should I do? Shut the car. Close the car. Okay, I don't know how to do it. I'm just seeing money. I like it. Oh no, that's how to update your super tools. Here is something good. Do yourself the phone on the other side of the screen. Let's try it. On the right corner, not on the top corner, I mean on the right side, you will see that there's superheroes. Not now, this is an ad. Now you see the superhero side. I mean, adrenaline is going all the way to the top. That is the danger side. Oh, that's the punch. No, I don't think I want to touch. I want to go to danger. Come to the danger.
The secret hack to always winning in Paper.io 2 is staying at the edge of the circle and hoping no one sees you. Whilst everyone else is battling for space in the middle, you're silently trapping them in your circle without them even knowing. And when you finally finish, that's when you instantly win the game. This is Paper.io 2, a fun game where you race others around the map. It's a great game to play on your board and it's completely free, so tap the screen to download now.
This ad was really bad. like this as I have all the games in the world. But then suddenly virus came. I had to delete everything. I downloaded new games. And by the way, this is my second tablet which I am playing on. I'm not playing on a phone. I'm not playing on a computer. I'm not playing on a laptop. I'm not playing on a mobile. I'm playing on my tablet. I only have to play on, nothing else. So late. Okay, I don't want to play this game. I don't know how to play it. I know how to play it. I hacked it. I'm just saying so that the skip button comes. See? That's the trick. Come on. I don't know. What is it? Yeah, there you go. Why did you do it? You can have a have. There's just a danger here. Why don't you over the way to the top? I don't know. This is why I use and this is really funny. This really funny. Once, when you see what you're doing, you know what I used to get before? Before my whole face would get big.
I'm Amina. What is your favorite color, Amina? I love pink. Pink is a lovely color. My favorite color is yellow.
I tried to download this, but before I could download it, where are you going, guys? I cannot steal my car or steal my car. Going over the speed limit happening. No, I can't. Yeah, I'm keeping it below it. You can just play. Oh, it's still here! I'm gonna go in the town. If I know how to. I think I have Oh, this is where I was in the starting. Let's have some music. Now, you know what? Let's play with Iron Man. This is fun. And now Venom is actually super cool because I love Venom. Oh, that is super cool. Yeah, wow. No, I have to upgrade of this. No, not that, no, this. No, not this. What is going on everywhere? Oh no, hand failed. Oh, look at this. Ninja. Ninja. Yeah. Let me be full here on the list. Let's climb up. Let's climb up. Climb up. Let's climb up. I'm a boy. Come on. I'm a boy. I gotta be brave. I'll climb golden knights coming.